Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'd share a quick little vlog with you today, a little bit different for a Tuesday, because there is something that I haven't been telling you and I think it's time to tell you. If you've been following my journey for a while now, you know that I started trading the stock market a few years ago. Then just over a year ago, I switched to trading the Forex market, where I did a lot of self-study and a lot of research, and I also tried out a course for 1 month with Rox FX. Well, recently, after going through the experience of trading a funded account with the 5%ers, I've realised that I'm not quite ready to just trade on my own yet, that I'm still learning and I'm still growing, and what I'd really benefit from is from more mentorship and some more study, which is why I've decided to enrol onto another course. I say course, but it's actually more of a mentorship program. I found out about this program from word of mouth, really, just connecting with one of these students about a year ago. And just recently, I decided to do some more research for myself. The group is quite a small and informal group, and it's called Reading the Story, or the Story of Price. And what it focuses on is the flow and the movement of market structure and price action, and being able to read price action and trading it with no distraction, no clutter, no indicators, just price action. Now I know it's early days yet, but I'm already seeing some pretty dramatic results in my trading, and I'm really enjoying it. So I'm telling you guys for 2 reasons. Firstly, if you're looking for something similar yourself, I'll include a link below where you can get some more information. It's not an affiliate link, it's just an honest referral. And secondly, I'm sharing this with you because you'll probably see some changes in my trade recap videos over the next few weeks as I incorporate some of these techniques and share them. What does this mean for my funded account with the 5%ers? Well, not very much really. I'm just carrying on going with the flow with this account. I've not got any expectations, and I'd be quite surprised if I managed to hit the mark in time to pass the challenge. But as always, the journey continues, and I am absolutely loving this journey of trading Forex. I hope you guys are enjoying sharing the journey with me. If you are, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks guys, bye!